Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Alfa Romeo Stelvio. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure both cars are completely off and not touching. Then, find the positive and negative jump-start terminals on your Stelvio, usually under the hood, often with a red cover for positive. This preparation is key for a safe jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Stelvio's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the last connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Stelvio, away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Stelvio's battery. After this, try starting your Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Once your Stelvio is running, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from the metal ground point on your Stelvio. Then, disconnect the other end of the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive cable from your Stelvio, then from the donor vehicle. Drive your Stelvio for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.